Let's see how to pair iPad 10 with Apple Pencil 1. In the first step, tap on Settings, then choose Bluetooth. Later, enable Bluetooth. In the next step, take off the cap from Apple Pencil. Later, plug Apple Pencil into iPad's charging slot. Now, wait for the pairing message. In the next step, press pair when the message appears. Then wait for the connection confirmation. In the next step, launch Notes or any drawing tool. Next, try writing or doodling. In the next step, connect Apple Pencil for charging when necessary. Next, ensure the connection stays active. You are good to go.